Building a professional business page doesn't have to be difficult. HBA Funnel Builder makes it surprisingly simple. Whether you're brand new or experienced, anyone can create polished pages without needing advanced technical skills. Create pages for products, services, events, coaching, or almost any business idea using one flexible builder. Once your page is ready, sharing it with your team helps everyone present a consistent professional experience. Spend less time building pages and more time connecting with customers and growing your business. Simple tools help your entire team create pages confidently while keeping a consistent professional appearance across every project. If you're ready to build beautiful business pages faster and empower your team, HBA Funnel Builder is ready when you are.